What's up, YouTube? One person you do not get angry in this is that guy. No, it's gonna kill me. I'll let him. I don't care. Yeah, kill me. It's okay. I don't care. Quit. Quit. That's stupid. See? So you don't want to mess with them. It's just hard. I'm gonna see if I have a single player. Continue. No, a new game. Not called Dead. I wonder if I have Moon. Locked. Oh, I did Call of the Dead. No wonder. Nikolai cannot die. Yeah, Nikolai cannot die. Anyways, I'm playing. I'll try showing the whole video. I don't know. Oh, yeah, my favorite map. This, yes, is just my, oh, fuck me. Settings, tilt sticks, touch, aim, and it, back now. Sure. Turn on them. Anyways, when it shows beware of 6, that what it means is like beware of like level 6. Those might be or it's gonna be the time where you get your dogs already. So yeah, those guys, they're easy to kill. Just get a shotgun. Yeah, sorry about my little brother. He just into Justin Bieber. Anyway, so this might. Oh shit! The extension cord. Oh, hold up. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I better start running. Oh, I don't. Should I kill him? This one's about like 75 yards it shoots up to. But if it's like 75 yards, you don't have to. No. I don't even know how freaking far this thing shoots. So, shoot that guy. Oh god. Then I shot those guys. I'm gonna try getting level 6. So that when you guys look at it, so you guys know it's gonna be like beware of level 6. This and that, so this is where I mostly will be putting up YouTube videos of now. Call of Duty Black Ops. I won't be, or Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies, since my dad stole my PlayStation. But that's supposedly, I think. Like why spend $300 on freaking an iPad, dude? Anyways, down on the link below, I'll show you guys my username for my PlayStation 3 if I ever get it back. Hopefully my dad says, yeah, you can have it back. Dude, I miss it, man. I just miss it. It's like the only thing connected to my freaking life. So, anyways, I'm gonna try. I don't even know how to leave a description below. But I'm gonna try leaving a description below. I'm gonna try it, even though I don't know how to make one yet. So you guys can know when I'll be doing stuff, or I'll be showing you when I'll do this and that if I have time. But I don't know. It's freaking tiring. Hopefully this is videotape. Yeah, it is. Never mind. Pain. Pain. So right now I'm on level 4. But I don't know if I'll ever get up to level 6. The highest level I got up to, for Black Ops when I play online on my iPad, or for my, what is it, I'm gonna put the volume up. There. So, bye. Never mind. Okay, I'm still up, guys. I'm still up. Oh, okay, still up. 5. Oh, and I was wondering, you guys were, how much, well, I don't know where the mystery box usually is anymore. Well, most likely spot you'll find the mystery boxes is, you know what's cool about, thing is, I'll pause it.